Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got an unboxing to share with you and it's a freebie. It's from the Agora app, which is only available for iPhone users. I have used some of my credits that I've been collecting to purchase their mystery box for the month. So I'll go through it one by one, showing you in more detail. But if you're new to the Agora app, I'll just give you some information. Bearing in mind that I am pretty new to it, and in all honesty, I don't really go on there that often. It's a beauty app and you're able to shop all sorts of beauty products as well as watching people review beauty products. It's very similar to YouTube but in an app form and just beauty products. They also do monthly boxes. They do a skincare box and a makeup box. One is £11.99 and the other is £12.99. And a few months ago I unboxed the makeup box and it was okay. Yeah, it was alright. Massive box for just a couple of items. Excess packaging. It's nice to see that they have downsized their boxes. I put up a refer a friend link, which meant that for anyone that clicked on my link, they would receive free credits and I would receive free credits as well. Those credits can be used to purchase certain products on the app, including a monthly mystery box. You need to have 500 credits for a mystery box, and after I uploaded my first video, a load of you, which I'm really grateful for, used my refer a friend link to create an account for themselves. So I was able to get a mystery box a few months ago. And it's happened again. So I had just over 500 credits in my account, so I decided to go for another mystery box. So I will put my link down in the description if you want to use it, but if not, that's completely fine, I just thought I would show you what a mystery box looks like and what you receive in it. There's a little note from Agora here. It says, "Thank you, we hope you love this treat, can't wait to see your take on it, Agora." You can follow Agora World as well on Instagram and TikTok. I've got 4 products there and it looks a better one. It looks a better one than the last one I had. So starting off then with a lemon oil, a cuticle mask. I love this. I love this. This is by OK. It's a Korean skincare brand. It's a nourishing mask for your nails or for your cuticles then. You can see there, so it's little tips that you put on. I have really dry cuticles. I really suffer badly from dry cuticles. More so over the last year, I suppose, with all the hand washing and anti-bac, etc. But yeah, I am really looking forward to trying that. Seeing what that is like on my cuticles. It's got a mask. We've got a Keep Cool and Soothe toner, 85% bamboo toner, mild and calming, 160 mils there. I haven't opened it up yet. I thought I'd keep it for the video. Oh no, I ripped it. Contains 85% bamboo water that instantly moisturizes and refreshes skin, giving sensitive and irritated skin a comfortable rest. It also contains sodium hyaluronate, which is an excellent moisturizing ingredient. This is a light acidic toner of pH 5.5, which works on various skin troubles such as dry and oily skins. So it's a skin toner. It sounds great. It does sound great. I love the fact that it's 85% bamboo. No scent. No scent. That'd be a nice product actually to pop in the fridge. It's nice and cooling when you apply it. Then we've got a product from LA Splash, and this is a Hydro Liquid Shadow and in shade Mad. I've got some liquid eyeliners from LA Splash, and yeah, they're nice. They're really nice. It's like a sparkly, shimmery gold. Yeah, that is really pretty. See there? Yeah, I do have very similar products to this in these shades. It would have been nice, I don't know, what electric colours, like electric blue. Imagine a gorgeous electric blue, shimmery, glittery liquid shadow. Oh, stunning. Or a purple, you know, something all green, like an emerald green, like jewel colours, or burgundy. I would love that. But yeah, a lot of boxes or subscription boxes that I subscribe to. Any liquid eyeshadows or anything like that, they do tend to be like gold, which is fine because it is pretty, but it would be nice to see something a little bit different in shade then, you know. And then lastly, we've got something for the lips. This is Project Lip Plump and Colour. Warning, this product will tingle in shade Dear. Now, I tried this, I think it was in a Rocker Box a couple of months ago, and my god, yeah, it tingled like anything. I love this colour. I do love this colour. Look, that's beautiful. I just remember it being on my lips. Does it smell? It smells like chocolate. Oh, it smells so nice. So we've got a plumping lip colour there. So those are all the products inside the Agora mystery box for June. I'll just gather them all up and I'll be back. So there's 4 products in all. I've got a toner, I've got a cuticle mask, I've got a plumping lipstick, and I've got a liquid eyeshadow. It's not a bad box, is it? It's not a bad box. Now they say on their website that boxes have a retail value of between, I think it's £25 and £200, which is really wide. Really wide. Can't tell you anything about these products. There's no extra information in the box at all. You're not able to find out on the app either, because obviously it's mystery. But yeah, I'd say it's probably worth at least £50 for these products. So thank you to you lovely lot that used my refer a friend code. I hope you enjoy the Agora app. Let me know if you've purchased any of the skincare boxes or makeup boxes, or even use credits towards a mystery box. Yeah, I'd love to hear what you think of it. But yeah, at the moment it's only for iPhone users, unfortunately. There's no Android availability. It might change in the future, I don't know, but yeah, I just thought I'd come on and show you what's inside this month's mystery box. So thanks for watching. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.